is Laila. I'm from Mozambique and I'm here with my mother. She's Rabiya, 65 years old. We came here because she had a lot of pain. She was suffering for knee pain and she was not able to walk and do the normal things that she always do. We did some consultations there in Mozambique and even at South Africa, and the doctors said that she must make the operation. So then I started to search for hospitals and doctors, and I found Amrita Hospital. Then I started to discuss with the Dr. Mrinal, and everything was good. The operation went well, and she did a knee replacement operation. And we are very happy with everything, with the hospital and all the doctors and staff.